My dad is the best dad ever, better than all entire dads.
My dad took me to Nickelodeon first.
To me, my dad is the best dad in the world.
My dad is the best dad, and he helped me to buy a Barbie car, and he's the best dad the whole world. I love him.
My dad is better than President Obama.
My dad is the best of presidents.
My dad is better than Trump. My dad is better than all presidents and even the presidents that are voted.
My dad calls me sunshine.
My dad calls me princess of water because I drink too much water. My dad calls me NZ when he needs something. I love my dad because he takes care.
My dad is the best friend. Happy Father's Day.